In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a dash cam. This is by the company Sincamex, a true hidden dash cam with a wide field of view without fear of occultation, whatever that means. Dual cameras, hidden camera, and looking over here, it's got app control, GPS and Wi-Fi. It's 2K recording, 170-degree grade wide grid, so it has a wide-angle lens on it. It's got the 6x digital zoom. It's got a G sensor in it. It's super night vision, so not just night vision, super night vision, 24-hour parking monitor, and then loop cycle. And just looking over it there. Yeah, let's just go ahead. I kind of opened it up. You know, Amazon was a little rough with my package there, but you know what? It's all right because I opened it up and I looked over it to see what was in there. And I'm going to show y'all exactly what you get with this thing when you get it in. Very nicely packaged. That is the camera itself. So that's going to be like the rear camera right there. And this is going to be the camera that goes to the front. So the camera itself goes up like that. It does have a slot right here for a micro SD card. And then this is going to run to your cigarette lighter. So you're going to have to figure out a way of kind of like running this cord down. So let me go ahead and read over the instructions. You get a little set of instructions. There's an app download. I'm going to have to download the app, and then I'll go over and figure out exactly how to set this up, and then we'll go from there. So let's get into the van and let's see how this goes. So let's do that now. The dash cam is installed. You can see it right here behind my rear view mirror. Check out how stealth this thing looks. It looks so professional when you get it all set up. There's the little, I'm guessing that's the GPS sensor and all that. Look how easy this was too. So I put the sensor here, and the wire just runs along here, and then I ran it down through here, and then I ran it through here, and it was like, this thing took me like 10 minutes to put up, and look how clean. So it does take up one of your sockets there, but it's all clean. It's super clean looking. Connects into the side. There's an access port right here for the micro SD, which I did install that in there. And then there's a power button on this side, and it all just sticks up there with 3M tape. And here's what I did right here. I didn't install you have to run a wire all the way from my head unit here, all the way under the carpet and all that. And that's an install for another day. I do want to install this and get it set up for my deck here, because this is available for a backup camera. And they give you this cool little tool right here that was really easy to kind of like tuck all of your wire away and to pry up some things if you need. You want to do that. You don't want to use a screwdriver when you're dealing with any of this stuff. But I'll throw some footage up on the screen right now of the actual camera in use, because I've been using it actually for like maybe 3 days now. I've installed it and just been using it, and then I wanted to do that for y'all to give you a good video and see exactly how well this thing works. It does have an app that you have to download, and that's the name of the app. It's called Final Cam X, and as soon as I turn it on, because that is on a power, it's recording all the time. See, it's recording, and I've got it on a loop recording, so you can open up right here, and there is all of my files in here. And then you would just download the files. And what's cool about this is it actually records, you know, location, GPS, speed, everything is recorded. So if something happens, or you need to dispute something, or you need to use something in court, you'll have all of that data recorded. There is a timestamp down here and everything. It's recording right now, and it's on a constant loop recording. So it'll just record over itself after so long, and it won't do it until the card gets completely full, and then it starts back again. And there's some settings in here you can turn around. You know, you can open it up, and this is all connected Wi-Fi. You know, it can go, there's a mic setting, there's the image resolution, the video resolution, the loop recording. There's a lot of different settings in here. I have been nothing but impressed with this, everybody. It's been one of the best kind of like accessories I've added to my van here, because I do a lot of traveling, and it's great to have something like this if there's ever an accident and you need to have the data to kind of show. You need the video to show, or you get pulled over, or there's anything where you can have. And that one's recording all the time. So this, even when it's parked or something, if something happens, I'll be able to pull the footage and check out what happened. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the Sincamex, almost sounds like Cinemax, dash cam. See y'all in the next video. Woo!